What are you doing?
Measuring the height.
Oh, in case it goes under a railway bridge.
Yeah.
And what's it having on the front of it, this drill?
So we're going to put leading discs on the front, because obviously with not ploughing, we have a lot more material on the surface of the ground. So if you imagine this down, it'll have discs like this, one in front of each coulter, but all in a line across here. So it'll cut a slot through all the rubbish and let the coulter sow the seed in that slot.
And why aren't you ploughing? Just confirm to me.
Because we want to reduce the disturbance in the soil in farming it to let its natural biology flourish.
And what about the worms, Phil?
Worms and fungi are the most susceptible to being ploughed up.
And we've just had our carbon audit.
We have, and the carbon auditor, without any prompting from me, commented how many worms we'd got and how good it looked. So we are gaining. We're not there yet, but we're gaining.
Fingers crossed.